Okay, lesson 2-1, write an equation. Translate each sentence into an equation. Number 1, 3 times or less than 15. So you have 3 times or less than 15 equals 6. So you have 15 minus 3r, so 3 times r less than equal 6. The sum of q and 4 times t is equal to 29. The sum, which means plus the sum of the sum of q and 4 times t, okay, q plus the sum of 4 times t equal to 29. A number n square plus 12, number n square plus 12 is the same, which means equal the quotient of p and 4. So the quotient of p and 4. Number 4, half of j minus 5 is the sum. Okay, half of j. We have 1 over 2 of j minus 5 is the sum of k plus 13. Number 5. The sum of 8 and 3 times k, we'll put 3k first plus 8 equals the difference of 5 times k, the difference of 5k minus 3, like this. Number 6, 3/4 of w, 3/4 of w plus 5, you have 3 over 4 of w, and then you plus 5 is, which means equal 1/2 of w, 1/2 of w increase, which means plus by 9. Number 7, the quotient of 25 and t, the quotient, which means 25 first over t plus 6 is the same, twice t plus 1, 2t plus 1, twice, which means 2, so 2t plus 1. Number 8, 32 divided by y, you have 32 divide y is equal to the product of 3 and the product of 3 and y minus 4. The product of 3 equal to the product of 3 and y, okay, 3y minus 4. Number 9, the difference of f and 5 times g's, difference of f and 5 times g's, so it's different, which means you have f minus 5g difference of f minus 5 and 5 times g is equal to 25 minus f. Well, you don't need these differences anyway. Number 10, 3 times b less than 100. So you have 100 minus 3 times b is equal to the product of 6 and b. So equal to 6b. Number 11, 4 times the sum of 14 and c is a square. So you have 4 times the sum of c, 14 and c is a square, so a square. Now for matching type, right, so number 12, 1 half of g plus 32, 1 half, okay, 1 half of g plus 32, so the first number 12 is d. A number g to the third power, g to the third power, right, this one, a. G to the third power, you don't need to read furthermore since since they give us a choice to make by matching, so you're just simply looking at the one which correspond to the letter that you're dealing with. This is G to the third power, so you don't need to read furthermore to this one because you have G, only one G to the third power. The square of G to the square of G is the same. Okay, square of G is the same. Okay, this is the square of G. The square of G is the same as 2 times. Alright, so C. And the third one you need to read furthermore. Obviously, it's gonna be the B option. So that is it for our lesson 2-1.